There you go. Okay, sir, stand right here. Now, this is how it works. Dakila and Christopher are going to compete in a series of tests to see who will be the next winner of the Sea Lion Feet Challenge. So the basic rule is, whatever Dakila does, Sir Christopher, you have to do it as well. Okay, now anong gagawin ni Dakila, gagawin mo din.
Patay ka.
Okay, now let's ask Dakila. Hey Dakila, are you ready? Hey Dakila, are you ready? Not yet. Officer Val, I think Dakila needs some warm-up. Yes, a warm-up. Wow, stretching. Okay, how about Officer Massage? A flipper massage. Okay, come on, Dakila. There you go. How about other flipper, Dakila?
Basta.
And back massage. There you go. Now, Dakila, tell us, are you ready? Oh, he's ready. Paano ba yan, Sir Christopher? It's your turn to warm up. Warm up ka rin, okay? So, put your hands on the seat, just like a sea lion. Ay, ang galing ni Sir. Now, you have to follow my hand, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hey, one more. Now, stretch your arms like this. Massage, massage, and back massage. Now, sir, tell us, are you ready? Yeah, so folks, Dakila is ready. Our volunteer is ready. So let the games begin. Round 1.
Okay ka dyan. Basta.
Sir, we're starting out easy on you. So look at this. For the first round, all you have to do is to turn just like that. Very easy. Ikot ka lang, sir. Oh, there's more. What's that, Officer Val? Don't forget to wiggle. Sir, it's your turn.
Gusto mo yan, ha?
Yes,
Gusto mo yan, ha?
And again, say Lion style, you put your hands on the deck. Ay, wow, great job. Now turn. Sige, sir, ikot ka lang. Sir Christopher, how about the wiggle just like this? Come on, you do it. Wiggle. Okay, round 2. Officer Val, masyadong magaling yung volunteer natin. So can we make it a bit harder? Yes, just a bit harder. Sir Christopher, for the second round, ano gagawin mo kaya? Look at this, lie down. Lie down lang. Oh, and roll over. There you go. Sir, what are you waiting for? The floor is wet and it's all yours. Come on, have a big hand for Christopher.
Gusto mo yan, ha?
Down ka lang ulit tapos roll over, okay? Ready? Sige sir, technique mo po. Ayun, ano gagawin mo sir? Ikot ka lang ulit sir. Roll over. Ay, Officer Val, magaling talaga yung volunteer natin. Look at this. Matulas. Oo sir, matulas dyan. Okay ka lang? Are you sure? Sige sir, tayo ka muna dito. Oh, I think. Sige,
Ano ba yung nalulubos?
I think Christopher is still okay. So tell me, do you want to see more?
Dahil yung challenge, iba pa.
Ang hina naman. Would you like to see more? Wow, so we got it for you turn and twice around. Sir, watch this very carefully because this is the hardest part of the challenge. Yes, sir. So for the last round, you have to stay right there. Okay, let's see what's next. Dakila. And you have to eat a fish. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, for the last round, stay right there. And see. Let's see what's next.
Ay, yung dudulas yun eh. I-slide.
Oh, there you go. Ano yan, Dakila? Slide! Slide ka lang. Ang galing naman ng Officer Val, slide lang.
Diretso.
Kinakabahan ata yung sabi natin, sir, ang galing mo kasi. O, stay ka lang ulit doon. Ayan, stay. Okay. O, Dakila, you can do it. Slide! Oh, no! Slide! Medyo mahirap na yun, Officer Val. Wala ka ba ibang option? Wala na. So, Sir Christopher, you can do it. Hey, we're going! Alis ka na. So, you have to finish the challenge. You volunteered for this, remember? Well, he can do it, right?